everyone. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. Today we're making 4 Dollar Tree gift baskets for Christmas or for the holidays. 2 of the baskets are actually the same theme. They're just shown 2 separate ways to make one cheaper option. So hopefully you will love this video. So I'm just starting out with a red basket from the Dollar Tree. It really doesn't matter which one you use, and I'm filling it with red and silver paper shreds. Of course, the basket is just easier for me to show you on video, but you can feel free to wrap your gift however you want. I'm also adding in this really cute sequin stocking. There was a Christmas tree option that's green, but for some reason I just really liked the red stocking better. And I'm adding in these reindeer antlers. Of course, I'm removing the tags. The white tag was not sewn on, it was hot glued, so it was actually really easy to remove. And then I'm also gonna add in a red cup. There were several different options, but my Dollar Tree was a little bit picked clean, so this is the only one that really worked for Christmas in my opinion. And then I'm also adding in this really cute reindeer book. I love the quality of Dollar Tree books, so I do add them to a lot of my baskets, but I thought this one was really fun. I'm just gonna stick that one in the back. And then I also thought, because of the red and green, and then because of the age of this basket, which would be about probably 3 to 5 years old, I thought the Cheez-It crackers would be fun, and this cute little reindeer stuffed animal along with Rudolph gummies to add a little vintage brand name feel, and these super cute socks with reindeer and Santa on them. I did roll them up and then I changed my mind and set them in there just a little bit differently. And that completes this basket as this. But if you want to step it up a notch, you can of course wrap it in cellophane. I don't care for these cellophane rolls. I do prefer the bags that come with the little string. And then I usually will wrap it up and tie an ornament like this on it. So the cellophane wasn't quite big enough. It didn't look right. So on this particular basket, I'm just adding the ornament to the bottom. All right, so our next basket is an icy blue winter themed basket, but with unicorns, so it's more for a younger child. I would say ages 3 and over. I'm starting out with this high quality icy blue teal basket, and I'm adding in the white paper shreds. Because this particular basket had deeper handles on each side, I did add a little bit of cellophane to it on the bottom and then put the paper shreds on top. It not only elevated the shreds, but it also helped cover the holes. And then I'm adding in these unicorn fruit snacks first. I did struggle with the placement of the box, but I think this ends up looking the best in the end. I'm also adding in this Pegasus kind of unicorn inspired shower poof and this super cute cotton candy unicorn soap. I did make sure that it is sealed on top so that no explosions happen when you are opening the basket or whenever they are opening the basket. I don't want it to leak everywhere, especially if it's a child. I'm adding in these super cute pastel fingernails as well as these stick-on earrings. Of course, those can be used for other things. This children's lip gloss and this children's nail polish. I'm assuming that it does peel off, but I haven't used it yet. So check into that before you purchase it. And that completes this basket. Of course, with this one, you can elevate it again with the clear plastic wrap cellophane if you want to, or the bags that they have. And since I couldn't find a unicorn ornament, I did feel the ballerina was the best. My Dollar Tree was picked over when it comes to ornaments, but this one worked really well. And that completes this basket. All right, so our next 2 baskets are the same theme, just 2 different ways. And so for the first one, we're starting out with the Happy Gnome little plastic container with the lid, and we're throwing in these gold and red vase fillers. Next, we're gonna throw in this really cute stuffed gnome. He's actually really adorable, and I'm taking off his tag. And then I'm adding in this gnome scarf, which is also pretty well made considering it's from the Dollar Tree. I'm actually quite impressed with this. And I'm just rolling that up to where a gnome is visible so that it looks like he goes along with the theme. And then last but not least, for this basket, I'm adding in these super cute gnome socks. So that completes this basket. All right, so our last basket for this video is also a gnome theme, but it's just a little bit of a bigger option. So I'm starting out with the green wicker basket, and I'm adding in the white paper shreds. Of course, you can add in a different color, but this just happens to be all that my Dollar Tree had available. And to add a little pop of the holiday colors, I'm adding in the vase filler to this basket as well. I'm also putting in this really cute portable coffee mug in the gnome theme and this gnome mug for at home, and I am taking it out of the box so it fits in the basket just a little bit better, and it also looks a little bit better. I did initially turn it one way right here, but towards the end of the video you'll see that I did end up shifting it so that things fit a little bit better. And of course I'm adding in our super cute little gnome friend and this scarf. For this one I did roll it horizontally because it offset the vertical in the back of the basket, making it look a little bit better. And I'm adding in these really cute gnome socks in the Christmas colors, and I'm just placing that in the basket as well. Of course, again, you can update this with cellophane and a cute little ornament. I'm not actually going to do that to this basket, it just didn't look right, but that completes this basket. So that completes our 2021 Dollar Tree gift baskets, and I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do have another video like this coming out within the next week. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays. Bye.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business.